Literature, littérature, 文学。Literature. Fiction, fiction, 虚构小说。Fiction. Novel, a hammer, 长篇小说。Novel. Non-fiction, documentaire, 纪实、百科。Non-fiction. Poetry, poésie, 诗歌。Poetry. Drama, drame, 戏剧。Drama. Folklore, folklore, 民间传说。Folklore.
Dictation. Get a pencil and paper ready.
Literature includes fiction, novels, nonfiction, poetry, drama, and folklore. Literature includes fiction, novels, nonfiction, poetry, drama, and folklore. 文学艺术包括小说、长篇小说、百科纪实、诗歌、戏剧和民间传说。
Did you get anything right? Please subscribe. You can get more.